In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a smooth connection between your board and Zoom, so meetings and updates can flow automatically, saving clicks and keeping your team aligned. First, open your Monday.com workspace and head to the board where you want Zoom to work. In this guide, I'm using a board called Trial Management, but you can use any board that holds the items you plan to track. Make sure you have permission to modify integrations on that board. It also helps if the board already has the key columns you rely on, like date, time, people, and a status column, so the integration can reference information that's already in place. Next, click the Integrate button at the top of your board. This opens the Integration Center, which is where Monday.com lists all the apps and services you can connect. Think of this area as your automation hub. It's where you decide which tools should talk to your board and how they should do it. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, this space is organized by app and you can scan through the options at your own pace. Now choose Zoom and pick a template. In Monday.com, templates are ready-made recipes that define when something happens in your board and what Zoom should do in response, or vice versa. As you browse, you'll notice each template includes a clear description of the trigger and the action. For example, some templates help create a Zoom meeting from an item in your board, while others can bring meeting details back to your board for easy tracking. Read the description carefully and select the one that best matches your workflow. If your team schedules meetings from a date column, choose a recipe that uses that date. If you assign owners to items, look for templates that reference the people column so accountability stays clear. A few tips will set you up for success. Decide what outcome you want before choosing a template. Do you want meetings auto-created, or do you want meeting info captured on your board? Keep column names clear so it's obvious which fields the integration should use. Start with a single template so you can see how it behaves with your current process, then expand once you're confident it aligns with your team's routines. That's it. You navigated to your board, opened the Integration Center, and selected a Zoom template tailored to your needs. With this in place, your board and Zoom can stay in sync, reducing manual work and helping everyone stay on schedule.